The 2009 Moto Guzzi National Rally. I've got my bike there, looking really good. Unfortunately, a real powerful windstorm just came through and rearranged my camp a little bit. And I got chairs blown over, my patio rugs all, satellite dish all on the ground. A little bit of devastation. This family had just set up their pop-up camper and were trying to ride this storm out, and it was rocking so bad they were getting seasick. The father said it wasn't safe and went into town and got a motel, I believe. And three of their friends had a tent. The camping area, the tent camping area is down there. You see a lot of activity because about half the tents were blown away, and some people were out riding, weren't there to tend to their tents, and are coming back now and finding out all their stuff is gone or in complete disarray, or their tents torn up, and so they're trying to put it back together as best they can. I saw people carrying just shredded pieces of tents out of there though. It was like hurricane force winds. This trailer over here, the gentleman is a vendor and was setting up his vending area. Was nearly completely set up and with the canopy and the roof over it, and it just got blown apart. Pieces went everywhere. That's all that's left is a little bit of the framework. Well, on the yard area here, we're at the campground. Miami end up. My dealer brought it up here. We'll walk over this way a little bit. The gentleman that owns this white one, he's from Albuquerque, and he's the New Mexico state rep. You can see the gentleman in the blue shirts from Oklahoma. He's my neighbor in the RV next door. He's out taking pictures of the damage. The storm just subsided about 20 minutes ago. It lasted for about an hour, and I was actually out riding my bike coming back from Buena Vista when this thing hit, and was blown all over the road by the wind myself, and was lucky to come back in one piece. What year it is, a Jackal. I kind of like those Jackals. He's asking $4,000 for it. Pretty good deal. I think the 850 Le Mans, he's asking $3,100 or $3,300 for it. Yeah. Did you guys get a hotel in town, or
yeah,
you gonna stay in town?
just tonight, just to be back in the morning.
You don't want to ride it out again?
We would now, but he's already paid for it. So.
By the way, I'm filming you.
Does he want one of these?
They just bought the pop-up trailer, and this past week they don't have insurance on it yet. So luckily it wasn't damaged any. It doesn't look like. So they're surprisingly tough.
Yeah, I think it'd be
These things are tough, huh?
Apparently it held up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'd already went in and got a motel room. If I hadn't done that, I'd be staying here tonight.
How many tents got blown away?
Well, he had 3 up and he lost 2 of them. And I seen 3 more down there that went. So I'd say we probably had some 70-mile-an-hour winds.
Yeah, that's about what I figured too.
Yeah, when it pulls them tents right out of the ground, you know you got some wind.
Yeah, I was rocking my RV. I was in this one over here, and
well, it lifted this one clear off the ground.
Wow.
Probably 6 or 8 inches.
I know it kind of frightened them a little bit.
Yeah, it spooked them a little.
Look on YouTube for the videos after the rally.
Oh.
One of the stabilizers fell out. One of those stabilizers out. One of the stabilizers fell out.
Okay. I better put that back in.
Where'd you get the little
Look on YouTube for the video after the rally.
I don't know what. This bike had a lot of work done to it. It originally came out of Minnesota. Then the guy that I got, that Ace got it from, he got it from a guy down in Georgia, and he traded it for a cow too.
Who did the paint?
The guy's in our Mocan, Kansas group named Don Smith.
What color was it originally?
Yeah.
What?
It was red.
It was red, yeah.
It was maroon, yeah.
You like riding on it?
Looks so
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, you like it.
I love this bike. I'll keep this bike forever. Even if I get me another one, I'm going to keep this one.
Absolutely.
That's what I do, because every time I
told my
sell
boys
something,
this gonna be theirs
I'm
to
gonna
fight
be-
over.
I'm gonna be yellow and orange.
Are you? You gonna paint yours that color?
Yellow and orange.
Yep, that'll look cool.
I'm gonna go yellow.
I got another piece that
tank
goes
and
on
fenders
this.
and orange for the bags.
I got a piece that bolts on here. Don's got it in the paint shop right now, painting this massive bike.
Oh, that'll be nice.
And then when I get that Swaney, he's gonna paint the fairing to match it too.
where are you from?
St. Joseph, Missouri.
Okay.
There's a crowd here from there, isn't there?
Yeah, there'll be quite a bunch from our club.
Yeah,
Met a fellow in Washington because they both rode out here.
Huh?
there's already several from our club.
Yeah.
You got John or
He wanted to
I'll
move
give
it.
you my email. You
He
can send me
wanted
a
to
link.
move it and keep his cover.
Where's my khaki at, Joe?
So that's a Malamute?
Yeah,
Did the-
Alaskan Malamute.
Did the storm bother him at all?
No, he was okay about that.
Yeah.
You know, Bill? Let me know why I carried that.
I'm filming some of the damage and stuff.
Oh yeah.
It'll be on YouTube. Go to Moto Guzzi National Rally 2009 after the rally.
There you go.
Hey, just go to Moto Guzzi National Rally 2009.
It's
You
gonna
know,
be on the Guzzi National.
yeah,
Oh, you gonna put it on that?
yeah. Unofficial. I'm just a, you know,
Yeah.
I'm just a
Okay, I'll find it.
puke here.
We'll find it on there.
Okay. Sir, is this your?
Link for the Guzzi National, man?
The guy set it up and left.
Just do a Google search. This is all that's left of that. The vendor had the canopy and everything, and it's pretty much all bent up. It's see, these bars here were bent. Feel sorry for the guy. Probably gonna.
He'll have a surprise in the morning, won't he?
Where's he at?
I guess he went off to a motel. He dropped it off and disappeared.
Oh hell! So he doesn't even know?
No.
Oh, it's too bad. They said they lost 5 or 6 tents completely down here.
Yeah, I saw him blowing out across there. I didn't know there was that many of them around.
He's excited. He's like saying, "Come on, play with me."
Did y'all's tents survive?
I hope so.
Ours did. So
Yeah.
far.
Okay, good. About 5 or 6 of them didn't, I heard.
That's what I heard.
Yeah.
How old? Well, she's 7 months, so she hadn't been around a long
Oh,
dog.
okay.
Yeah.
And he's saying, "Come on, baby, I'm looking for a girlfriend." I like that talk he gave to her. Oh, come on, I'm a nice guy. He's saying, I don't know.
This guy's on a really nice Norge 1200. I'll step out of his way so I don't get run over.